What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to this update on Apecoin. Had a bullish breakout 2 days ago, and which is what I predicted, or what I said. I think Sunday actually. So did I make it yesterday? I'm actually not sure because it's no, I'm not sure. I think either yesterday or Saturday I actually said that I still thought it was the most likely scenario. That we would break above 4.15 and 4.1, that level, and then from there get up to our price target between 4.5 and 4.6, which we reached. And we're still actually looking pretty bullish. So I just wanted to do a quick overview of what you can expect, and basically what's happening right now. So let's get right into it. Fundamentals for Apecoin are still good, but in this video I more so wanted to zoom into the technicals and more of the market fundamentals. So obviously, it's obvious to me, but tomorrow we have the inflation rate coming up for the US, which is going to make the market move a lot. And then Wednesday we have the interest rate, which is also going to make the market move. So quite strong and important fundamentals coming up very soon. So we'll talk about that. Right now, if you look at the technicals, as I said, the main level that we were really struggling with was 4.25, where you had that 618 fib, but also just that trend line bugged us for quite a long time. And just in general, I mean, this whole key area ranges from 4.6 all the way down to 3.9, but you could really see that the middle was a whole different level of itself. So what I said is that, all right, the strongest resistance is actually not the 618 fib, it's a trend line. So if we're able to break above the trend line, which when I made the analysis was around 4.15, I thought we could also break above that 618 fib. And that is what happened. And then you reach the top of the key level we just talked about. You reach 4.6, 4.5, where 4.5 is also a minor psychological resistance level. And that's the level we want to break above now. And why we are bullish still, I would argue, is that level in the middle we talked about, around 4.25 and 4.15, we're actually still on top of that, actually still holding that as a support. All right, so then, and then you take a look at Apecoin itself and at the market. Apecoin itself has a lot of volume still, also compared to the market cap, and the market itself is pretty stable. What I expect for Apecoin is that we will gain that from the market, that we will remain relatively stable, and that we will at least stay on top of 4.15 until tomorrow we get the inflation rate. And then if the inflation rate is actually lower than expected, which is good for crypto, I think we can get up to 4.5 and 4.6 again. And in all honesty, and that's 100% realistic, I think we can even break above that, take a break retest, and head up to this resistance level here, between $5 and ultimately 5.25, but let's say $5 and 5.1. So that is very possible, depending on the fundamentals. As I said, I mean, you must know if the interest or if the inflation rate is actually higher than expected, that's bad for crypto. So what would happen then, and you can find this all on myfxbook.com, what would happen then is that we would probably have a bearish breakout. We would probably drop down to 3.9 and this whole 3.85 level, find support there, and then if the market continues dropping, we would even drop down all the way to 3.6. But probably do something like this first. So I think we can stay on top of 4.15, 4.2, and then depending on the results tomorrow, we'll either continue this bullish momentum we have, or we will drop back down a little bit, and then we have to wait for Wednesday when we get the interest rates, how that will affect the market. So altogether, I guess you could say that I think Apecoin right now, even though the fundamentals for Apecoin itself are still bullish, will move alongside with the market. So that's my take. For now, I want to wish you all a great Monday. Take care, and bye.